Hello everyone, in this Photoshop tutorial I'm gonna show you how to improve image quality. This will be the image that we are going to convert to high resolution. Now as you can see, the image is pixelated and it doesn't look very good. So how we're gonna do that is, we're gonna go to image and then image size. From here we can increase the resolution. Now from here we can make the resolution, and here we can adjust the width and the height. Now from here we can choose the technology that Photoshop will use to help us increase the resolution. Now Photoshop has a hidden technology. Let me show you. Go to Photoshop, then Preferences, and then Technology Previews. Or if you are using Windows, just go to Edit and then Preferences and then Technology Previews. Now we are gonna enable this Preserve Details 2.0. Just click on it, press OK. Now again go to image and then image size. Now as you can see, we have the Preserve Details 2.0 technology. Now all we need to do is make the resolution 300 and we'll make the width 4000. Now as you can see, the image looks way better. Also you have reduced noise. You can reduce the noise however you want. For me 40 is good, and just press OK. Now as you can see, the image looks way better with the Preserve Details 2.0 technology, and you have it in high resolution. So this is the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop and Lightroom tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.